Hey everyone, welcome to another video. Today we are going to do this nail set right here. So I already have my gel applied to my client and I'm going straight in with the design. So we are going to do a French tip first of all, and we're using glitter bells in Unbelievable Gel in the shade white. This is always my go-to. So we're just going to paint on a French tip, and yeah, I am just basically doing what I do every time I do a French. It is I go from usually left to right. I start as high as I want to go with the smile line and I kind of bring it in, thicken it up as I'm going, and I always check with the client to see if it's as thick as she wants it to make sure, because you don't want to paint on a French and then have the client say, I don't like this, it's too thick or it's too thin, and it's already cured. So basically I kind of start off thinner and then I keep adding on as I go. And this nail set today, guys, is just the perfect classy French with a bit of a twist. So it's not your plain white French. We have silver added in here. You could also change this to gold if you wanted to, or rose gold. But it is just timeless, elegant, and with a little bit of bling. We don't have actual bling, but when we use this colour, it always makes me feel like there's a little bit of bling added to the nails, if you know what I mean, because it's just that perfect foily metallic silver glitter. And yeah, it is, I'll let you know what it is in a few seconds when we get on to that part, but I'm just letting you watch me painting on the French here. I'm going to show you maybe 3 or 4 of the nails being done in French, and then I will be back for the next part of the design. I hope you are all well. I hope you are enjoying your nail creating. Let me know if you like this set down below, and let me know if you'd wear it. We are just never ever going to get sick of classic French designs. I don't think they're just going to be around forever, I think. And yeah, I love them. Just a little tip when you're doing your French, I always kind of compare it to the fingers beside it and the fingers on the other hand as well, just to make sure that you're not losing track of your thickness, to make sure that they're all pretty symmetrical. So I'm always looking at the other nails. Now moving on to the accent nail then, we are just kind of bringing back the swirl design that was in a few years ago. Remember all those swirls that everyone was getting? Well, we are just bringing in that swirl here. So we're going from left to right up near the cuticle, and we're just swirling it down with the brush. We're doing one white swirl, and then we are going to come in and we're going to do a silver swirl, and that's when we're going to bring in this gorgeous silver colour into the nail set. But always cure in between. So once I am happy with this, I am going to pop it into the lamp to cure, and then I'm moving on to the other hand, as you can see here. But always cure in between. Do not forget that stage, because we want to make sure that that is set before we go in with our next colour. And the colour we're going to use is the gel bottle ink, and that is #bling. So this is a gel polish, but it's so pigmented and full coverage that it is perfect. It's nearly like a gel paint. It is so good. So I always use this for things like anything that requires silver glitter or gold glitter. I have it in gold as well, and rose gold, but I always use these. These are 3 of my favourite products in my nail collection, is these 3 foily glitters from the gel bottle. So they're just really good. I love them. I always have to mention that because they're just so good. And then what we're going to do, once that is cured, we are going to go in and we're going to do our silver outline on the, just on top of that French. So basically I'm going slow here. I don't have loads of product on my brush, because you can always add product. If you have too much, it's going to end up too thick. And I'm taking my time as well. I am just following that smile line, taking my time. And I just want to add in here that these silver glitter or gold glitter outlines, they are way easier to do than coloured outlines, in my opinion. So if you're doing a plain colour, like a red or a pink or a baby blue or whatever, I think it's way easier to lose track of your smile line than it is when you're doing glitter. Glitter is just so much more forgiving, especially this type of full coverage glitter. So yeah, I don't mind this at all. When people come to me with this type of nail set, I do not find it hard at all. I find it way easier than doing a coloured outline. So yeah, I'm always pretty happy when someone comes with this type of inspo. So like before, we're just curing in between. We're curing each nail as we go, just to make sure that it's set and it's not going to run or anything like that. And I think you do see me do a bit of cleanup here in a second. I put a bit too much glitter on this nail, and I'm just going to go in with my brush and a little bit of acetone just to get rid of it there. And that is pretty much it, guys. I hope you enjoyed this tutorial. It is quick and simple and easy, but look how classy and elegant they look. I did my top coat off camera, and yeah, that's it, guys. Thank you so much. I will see you in the next one.